We're gonna come back and add our black pepper, ketchup, and butter. We're gonna stir that all in. This is what it looks like. Yep. And now we're ready to add our baked bean. We're gonna start and just cover. But before we do that, so once you pour out your baked bean out of the tin, it's gonna have some left. You could just add a little bit of water with that to get it out and pour it in the pot. Cover your pot and let it simmer down, right? See how beautiful this looks? So this is what your baked bean should look like. Let it simmer down for like 2 to 3 minutes, and then you could turn the pot off. And this is what your baked bean and saltfish should look like after it being cooked for 2 to 3 minutes. See how beautiful that is? Yep, and I'm gonna have mine with some ground provision.